A cash advance is a short-term loan from your credit card issuer. It sounds convenient, but it works differently than a standard purchase. Unlike using your card to buy groceries, a cash advance is when you withdraw physical currency or equivalent funds directly from your credit line. The costs are steep. You often pay a transaction fee plus a much higher interest rate that starts accruing the moment you take the cash. When you use an ATM for a cash advance, there is no grace period. Interest starts building immediately, even if you pay your balance later. Standard purchases allow you time to pay without interest. Cash advances treat your withdrawal like a high-interest loan from day one. Looking at the numbers, you can see why credit experts suggest using cash advances only as an absolute last resort. Always check your cardholder agreement. Understanding your specific terms can prevent unexpected charges on your next statement. Thanks for watching. Understanding how credit works helps you keep more of your hard-earned money. See you in the next video.